Sukriti and I study standard and today's our topic is really interesting. Today we are going to do 4 conversations in English. I'm doing it alone, so let's get started without wasting any time. We are beginning from conversation 1. In this conversation, we have 2 characters A and B. So let's get started. Let's get started from B. In this conversation, A is a teacher and B is a student. So let's get started. Good morning, sir. I want your time, sir. Good morning, B. What's that you wish to talk to me? Sir, I feel need to improve my English language skills and I want to know from you how do I do it. Okay, but right now I am busy in school work. You better come tomorrow after school is over. Okay, sir, I will come tomorrow. Thank you, sir. After this conversation, B came to his or her sir, at next day. So let's see next day's conversation. May I come in, sir? Yes, we come in. You were talking something about English yesterday. Can you come again on it? Yes, sir. I feel need to improve my oral English. Therefore, I want some tips from you on it. Okay. Are you going to write down some points? Yes, sir. I will note down important points. May I sit here? Yes, do sit. First important thing in you must improve your vocabulary. You need to understand the pronunciations and meanings of the words as well. It's better to read various topics through books, newspapers, magazine, etc. And this helps in speaking as well as writing. So you aim to improve your spoken English. You must try speak maximum English only without any fear. And at last, but not the least, you must listen to good English through news on radios or TVs and TVs on news channels. So, sir, these are really very helpful point. I will start working on it right from today. So, that's the right way. Wish you all the best. Thank you very much, sir. So guys, this is our first conversation and let's begin our second conversation. In this conversation, we have the 2 characters A and B, and these 2 characters are the friends. So without wasting any more time, let's get started to our second conversation. So let's get started from A and B are the friends. We have only 2 characters in this conversation. So, hi B, how are you? I'm okay. What about you? I'm fine too. We are meeting after a long time, aren't we? Absolutely. It's almost for 2 months we haven't met. What's on? Nothing much. Since school closed, just doing time pass. Most of the times I must to be some for you right now. Listen, some from you right now. Now we all at adult school are fully busy from morning to late evening. Oh, that's great. What all the things you are engaged in. Our dynamic principal Vare sir has created strong schedule for us. We are all engaged in many important activities and projects. Oh, I see. Activities like we are improving our English. We have also started learning spoken Japanese. We are trying to improve skills in academic subjects. Besides this, we are learning farming, playing keyboard, drawing, sketches and all. That is just amazing, isn't it? Yes, it is. An important fact is we never feel tired. That's truly awesome. So this is our second conversation, and let's see the third conversation. In this conversation, we have two people in this conversation. one is A and second is WC. Means this is conversation on the I think on railway station. So in railway stations inquiry counter. So let's get started to our third conversation. So let's get started from A. Hello sir, I want to know if reservation is available for Delhi for 10th August. Window. WC means window checker. So have you filled up reservation from? No sir. Where will I get it? It's kept there at window. Now 10 you can tier 1 from the bunch. Okay sir, got it. I will sorry, I will came here again after filling the form. No, you need not come here. You see the electronic device there. You enter train number and date. You will get required status for the seats available. Okay, got it sir, thank you very much. And after that A fills the form and checks the status. So sir, it's wait list 20. Will I get confirmed ticket? I have idea something you get sometimes. You don't let me know. If you want to book, yes sir, I will go for it. This is the form. Okay, you have to pay 1858. Yes, here is 2000 note. Do you have the 8 rupees change? Yes, here is the change. Here is your ticket and here is your remaining money. Check your ticket before leaving the counter, please. Check your ticket before leaving the counter, please. Okay, ticket is correct. Thank you sir. So this is our third conversation, and without wasting any more time, let's get started to our fourth conversation. And in this conversation we have two characters. One is A and B. So A is a teacher and B is a his old student. Before here, and B is now studying in college, and B is the old student of A. So let's get started to our conversation without wasting any more time. Our fourth conversation. So good morning sir, how are you sir? We are meeting after a long time. Hello, good morning, I'm fine, thank you. We are really meeting after a long time. Sorry, but I forgot your name. Sir, it's okay sir. Sir, I'm Sanskriti. You used to teach us science to you used to teach us science. Yes, I can recall now. You were good in physics and chemistry, but not in biology. Very right, sir. What you are doing nowadays? I'm doing a graduation in microbiology. Hope you are doing good. Yes, sir. I'm enjoying learning biology. Microbiology is very interesting subject, isn't it? Yes, it is. All subjects are interesting. Provide you have interest in it. Do you plan for the post graduation it? Yes sir. In fact, I have decided of go for PhD in it. That's great thinking. Yes sir. Thank you sir. What about you sir? I have take retirement and helping village school children in science. They need better quality learning. Very true sir. I attempt to do the same. Let me know if I can be any use of you sir. Thank you. I want you first complete your post graduation, and then you can join us. Then you can join us sometimes. That is perfect, sir. I will be in touch with you. Thank you, sir. Thank you too, and see you. So this is our today's video, and this is our fourth conversation in English. So I hope you like, and thank you guys.